PRME stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I want to start saying that I'm trying to be kind of not nice. Although this is 25% up, I'm looking at the broader picture from this 1 hour, 1 day candles, and it's not looking good. All it has actually done since 2022 actually. So let's say 2.5 years. It's been just melting, really. So what is the likelihood that we just keep doing exactly that in the near future? If you ask me, the highest compared to bullish side, right? We're in a supply zone. Notice how even though I say it's the highest on the bearish side, I'm not just going to immediately sell, right? More levels of freaking analysis and forecast must be met in order for me to pull the trigger. So in this instance, only if there's a shift, I'm going to look to take things down. And if not, it's all good, right? Randomly buying, it's not going to be the way for me. So stay tuned. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.